Welcome to our countdown of the most American-made vehicles you can buy in 2025. Think you know which cars truly deserve the red, white, and blue stamp of approval? You might be surprised. Today's automotive world isn't as simple as American brands equal American-made. In fact, many foreign manufacturers are building vehicles right here in the USA with more American parts than traditional Detroit brands. Based on Cars.com's American-Made Index, which has been tracking this data for 20 years, we're counting down the top 20 vehicles that contribute most to the American economy through U.S. manufacturing, part sourcing, and employment. Let's dive in and discover which vehicles are truly made in America. The countdown begins with the Nissan Pathfinder, assembled in Smyrna, Tennessee, with a base price of $36,400. Nissan's Smyrna facility has been a cornerstone of American manufacturing since 1983 and recently celebrated producing its 15 millionth vehicle, which was, fittingly, a Pathfinder. This SUV is assembled exclusively in Tennessee, with engines produced at Nissan's Deschard plant, also in Tennessee. The Smyrna plant alone employs over 5,700 workers and represents Nissan's largest manufacturing site in their global network, with an annual capacity of 640,000 vehicles. Next up is the Chevrolet Colorado, produced in Wentzville, Missouri, starting at $33,595. The Colorado is manufactured at General Motors' Wentzville assembly plant, where the company invested $380 million to build this popular midsize truck. The plant employs thousands of workers and operates multiple shifts to meet demand. The Colorado proudly features "Proudly Built in Wentzville, Missouri" badges on each truck. Interestingly, despite being an American brand, Chevrolet only has one entry in the top 20 most American-made vehicles, showing how global the auto industry has become. Coming in at number 18 is the Toyota Corolla Cross Hybrid, assembled in Huntsville, Alabama, with a starting price of $28,495. This vehicle rolls off the line at the Mazda Toyota manufacturing plant, a $2.3 billion joint venture that created 4,000 American jobs. The facility represents Toyota's 11th U.S. plant and specializes in producing vehicles primarily for the domestic market. Toyota calls this strategy insourcing, bringing manufacturing jobs to America instead of outsourcing them. The Corolla Cross shares this advanced facility with Mazda models, showing how international cooperation can benefit American workers. The Kia Sportage takes the 17th spot, built in West Point, Georgia, starting at $27,390. The West Point facility is Kia's only U.S. manufacturing plant, covering an impressive 2,200 acres with a total investment of $3.2 billion. When production of the Sportage began in 2022, it became the fourth model produced at this facility, which now builds 5 different vehicles. The plant operates 24 hours a day across 3 shifts, producing 350,000 vehicles annually and employing over 3,000 Americans. Georgia's governor personally drove the first Sportage off the assembly line, highlighting its importance to the state's economy. Next is the Acura Integra, assembled in Marysville, Ohio, with a base MSRP of $33,000. This is the first time in Integra history that the model has been built in the United States. The Marysville Auto Plant is the exclusive global production home for the 2025 Integra, with both vehicle assembly and engine production happening in Ohio. The Integra's manufacturing process introduced new technologies to the plant, including dual-beam laser welding for its sleek roof design. The Integra's engine is produced at Honda's Anna engine plant in Ohio, considered Honda's largest engine plant in the world. The Honda Accord comes in at number 15, also built in Marysville, Ohio, starting at $28,295. Honda has been building cars in America for over 40 years, and the Accord is one of its flagship American-made vehicles. With around 55% US and Canadian parts content, the Accord exemplifies Honda's long-term investment in American manufacturing. The Marysville plant was Honda's first auto production facility in America and has produced millions of vehicles since opening. Nearly two-thirds of all Honda vehicles sold in the US are built here, making Honda one of America's largest automotive employers. At number 14, we have the Acura RDX, assembled in East Liberty, Ohio, with a base price of $44,700. The RDX is one of 8 Honda and Acura models ranked in the top 20 of the American-Made Index, more than any other manufacturer. With approximately 70% US and Canadian parts content, the RDX significantly contributes to the American economy. The East Liberty plant exclusively builds this luxury SUV, and it was designed and developed by Honda engineers in the US, making it truly American from concept to production. The iconic Jeep Wrangler takes the 13th position, manufactured in Toledo, Ohio, with a starting price of $32,690. Few vehicles are as quintessentially American as the Jeep Wrangler. Built at the Toledo Assembly Complex, the Wrangler typically contains about 74% American content, one of the highest percentages among domestic brand vehicles. The Toledo facility has been producing Jeeps since 1941, representing a continuous American manufacturing tradition spanning over 80 years. With its rugged design and off-road capability, the Wrangler embodies American adventure and resilience. The Honda Pilot secures the 12th spot, built in Lincoln, Alabama, starting at $40,200. The Pilot is produced exclusively in Alabama, with approximately 70% domestic content. Honda's Lincoln facility is a massive operation that employs thousands of workers and produces multiple Honda models. The Pilot has consistently ranked high on American-made lists for years, showing Honda's ongoing commitment to US manufacturing. This 3-row SUV is designed specifically for American families, with features tailored to American preferences and driving conditions. At number 11, the Acura MDX is assembled in East Liberty, Ohio, with a base MSRP of $51,200. The MDX luxury SUV contains approximately 70% US and Canadian parts content, making it one of the most American-made luxury vehicles available. Like other Acura models, it was designed and developed entirely by US-based engineers specifically for the American market. East Liberty's advanced manufacturing techniques, including precision robotic assembly, ensure the MDX meets luxury standards while supporting American jobs and the local economy. Breaking into the top 10 at number 10 is the Volkswagen ID4, built in Chattanooga, Tennessee, starting at $45,095. Volkswagen's decision to build its flagship electric vehicle in Tennessee represents a major commitment to American manufacturing. The Chattanooga plant received significant investments to produce electric vehicles, creating over 1,000 new American jobs. When production began in 2022, Volkswagen aimed to ramp up to 7,000 vehicles per month, with plans for further expansion. The ID4 marks the first time all-electric vehicles have been the majority of the top 10 most American-made vehicles, showing the changing landscape of U.S. auto manufacturing. The Honda Passport takes the 9th position, manufactured in Lincoln, Alabama, with a base price of $44,750. The Passport, like several other Honda SUVs, is produced exclusively at the Alabama plant and has consistently been in the top 10 of the American-Made Index since 2019. Its high domestic parts content percentage and US-assembled components ensure its steady presence at the top of the list. The Lincoln facility produces the Passport alongside several other Honda models, creating a manufacturing hub that employs thousands of American workers. The Honda Odyssey secures the 8th spot, also built in Lincoln, Alabama, starting at $42,220. Did you know the Odyssey is the most American-made minivan you can buy? With approximately 70 to 75% domestic content, the Odyssey has historically been one of the most American vehicles on the road. Honda's Lincoln plant has been producing the Odyssey since 2001, making it a staple of American manufacturing for over 2 decades. The Odyssey has been so successful in the US that its design is now primarily focused on American family needs rather than global markets. The Honda Ridgeline pickup truck comes in at number 7, built in Lincoln, Alabama with a base MSRP of $40,150. Surprised to see a Japanese brand pickup truck ranking higher than American brand trucks? The Ridgeline contains approximately 75% US and Canadian parts content, one of the highest percentages of any vehicle. By comparison, the Ford F-150, often considered the quintessential American truck, ranks 37th on the list. The Ridgeline has consistently been in the top 10 since 2017, thanks to its high domestic content and American assembly. At number 6 is the Kia EV6, assembled in West Point, Georgia, starting at $42,900. The EV6 has the distinction of having the highest US and Canadian parts content of any vehicle sold in America today, at an impressive 80%. Combined with production moving from South Korea to Georgia, the EV6 represents a major commitment to American manufacturing. Kia sources its batteries from SK On, which built a factory in Georgia specifically for this purpose. The EV6's high ranking marks the first time electric vehicles have dominated the top 10 most American-made vehicles list. The Jeep Gladiator pickup takes the 5th position, built in Toledo, Ohio, with a starting price of $38,695. Like its sibling the Wrangler, the Gladiator is assembled at the Toledo Assembly Complex, a sprawling facility with over 3 million square feet of floor space. Stellantis invested $1 billion to retool and modernize the South plant to build this American pickup truck. Since beginning production in 2019, more than 345,000 Gladiators have been built at the plant. The facility employs over 5,400 UAW-represented workers, making it a significant contributor to Ohio's economy. At number 4, we have the Tesla Model X, assembled in Fremont, California, with a base price of $89,990. Tesla vehicles consistently rank high on American-made lists, with approximately 60 to 65% domestic content in the Model X. Tesla's Fremont factory employs thousands of workers and produces multiple models. The manufacturing workforce component plays a major role in Tesla's high rankings, as the company employs a significant number of American workers. According to some studies, Tesla models have reached as high as 80 to 87.5% domestic content, making them some of the most American vehicles ever produced. The Tesla Model S takes the 3rd spot, also built in Fremont, California, starting at $84,990. The Model S contains approximately 65% US and Canadian parts content, placing it among the vehicles with the highest domestic content. Tesla's American workforce is substantial, contributing significantly to its high ranking. The Model S has been consistently ranked among the most American-made vehicles since Tesla started participating in the American-Made Index in 2020, showing the company's commitment to domestic production. The Tesla Model Y secures the 2nd position, manufactured in either Fremont, California or Austin, Texas, with a base MSRP of $44,990. The Model Y contains around 70% domestic content and is produced at multiple American facilities. Tesla's expansion to the Austin Gigafactory created thousands of additional American jobs. According to some studies, the Model Y has achieved domestic content percentages as high as 85%, making it one of the most American cars ever built. The dual production locations in California and Texas increased Tesla's American manufacturing footprint substantially. And the most American-made car of 2025 is the Tesla Model 3, assembled in either Fremont, California or Austin, Texas, starting at $42,490. The Model 3 tops the list with approximately 75% US and Canadian parts content, among the highest of any vehicle. Tesla's substantial American workforce and domestic production capacity significantly contribute to its top ranking. Some studies have shown the Model 3 performance achieving as high as 87.5% domestic content, an extraordinary figure in today's global automotive industry. The Model 3's dominance demonstrates that American manufacturing excellence can come from newer automotive companies as well as traditional ones. So there you have it, the 20 most American-made vehicles of 2025. Surprised by the results? It's fascinating to see that only 7 of the top 20 come from US-headquartered companies, and only 3 from Detroit's Big Three. Japanese manufacturer Honda dominated with 8 vehicles in the top 20, while Tesla swept the top 4 positions. This list shows that American-made is more complex than just the badge on the hood. It's about where the parts come from, where the assembly happens, and how many American workers are employed in the process. As tariffs and trade policies continue to shift, these rankings could change dramatically in the coming years. If buying American-made is important to you, this list provides valuable insight beyond traditional brand perceptions. Which of these vehicles surprised you the most? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit that notification bell to stay updated on all our automotive content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.